and some young students from outside. Welcome to each one of you to this event of a song launch by none other than, of course, the power star, super power star, I would say, Shri Pawan Kalyan Garu. I wish he would have been a part of this campaign, but maybe next time. And I would like to thank DSP Garu for choosing our campus and Harishankar Garu for choosing our campus to release this song. So I'm absolutely sure there's no doubt that this movie is going to be a super hit. We have always been fans of DSP Garu, right? Yes? Exactly. The moment I see DSP Garu, you know, I just remember one song from Pushpa. Na 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 na. So this is what DSP Garu is for us. So nidralo kuda aa paata marchipolemanamata. So thank you so much, sir. And of course, Mallareddy Garu is supporting all of us. Huge round of applause to Mallareddy Garu. And of course, the entire campus, thank you so much for being here on Sunday. And yes, we should support this song. It's a proud moment for all of us that, you know, the power star Pawan Kalyan Garu has chosen this campus to showcase his song. Thank you so much, the entire team. Thank you so much.
ప్రీతి గారు సారీ, మా అందరికీ తెలుసు మీ దగ్గర ఎక్కడ లేని ఎనర్జీ ఉంటుందని, మీరు సూపర్ డాన్సర్ అని, మీరు సూపర్ సింగర్ అని. సో ఒక్కసారి పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ గారి మేనరిజంని చేస్తే బాగుంటుందని వి విష్. రెడీ? మెడముట్టుకుంటే తొడకొట్టినట్టే.
Basically, you know what, I really don't want to humiliate him by doing this because he is something extraordinary, but thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. We love your energy. We love you so much. Thank you so much. ఓకే, సో ఎన్నో గొప్ప పాటల్ని మనకు అందించి మన డైలీ